I'm from Hebron Academy, and I'm going to be singing Cough Syrup by Young the Giant and playing the acoustic guitar. Enjoy. Life's too short to even care at all. Losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see this straight, I run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down, come down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Dark world aches for a beat of the drum. Find a way to see this straight, I run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I run out to the people say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down, come down. Life's too short, life's too short, life's too short, life's too short to care by now. Oh, life's too short, life's too short, life's too short, life's too short to care by now. So one more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon